Okay, I got a pair of scissors. Here you go, bud. I'm gonna help you out. Here you go. Here you go. Ow! Son of a bitch! I'm trying to fucking let you go, dummy. Bit me pretty good. Almost got you loose, and then you bit me, you stupid fucker. Come on. Come on. Don't you attack me. You're almost free. Come on. You stupid son of a bitch. Bird brain, huh? Here you go. Here you go. Get out of here. Trying not to eat your fucking fingernails. Alright, get on out of here. Not too bad. Better go wash it off. Just a little cut. A few minutes ago I came out here to water and I heard some bird flapping in the bushes, and it turns out I caught a peregrine falcon, it appears, in this bird stop that we use to keep the birds off this peach tree. Pretty cool. Please like and share my videos and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.